This is an assignment video, and this is assignment number 2. We are going to create a custom exception handling middleware. I know that in ASP.NET Core, there is already a built-in exception handling middleware that we can use, but I'm going to ask you to create your own exception handling middleware that is similar to the built-in middleware. And the purpose of this, there are actually 2 purposes. The first one is that it's going to help us to practice what we have learned in this chapter, especially you need to create a separate class. So don't use the use method or the use when method to create this. Use a separate class to implement this middleware component. The second purpose is to understand the ordering of the middleware components. So your own custom middleware, whether you place it in the first place or the second place, the sort order of the middleware components is very important in relative to the other components. So the exception handling middleware, it needs to be placed at a specific location. So you need to figure out where is the best place to place this custom middleware. And go back and try to work on this yourself, and I'm going to see you in the next video. In terms of what is going to be displayed once an exception is handled, you can display as little as you want or as much as, but try to display it in a nice HTML format. And try to go back and work on this yourself. I will see you in the next one to provide my solution.